Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert content in a table in MS Word. So first step is to insert a table and add all these names in it. For example, I'm going to add all these names like Sidra, Ali and Saima. All these names directly into the table. It will time consuming and it will take a lot of time. Here we have a few steps. So follow these steps. We will directly insert these all names into the table. So first we do is go to the insert, select the table and select the columns and rows and click OK. When we click OK, all these names directly insert into the table. Here you can see. I hope you will like the video. Thank you for watching.